In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured collection section to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme, updated for 2025. This process is quite straightforward, and great news, it requires no coding at all. You'll accomplish this simply by using the theme Customizer. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Shopify admin. Head over to your Shopify store dashboard. This is your starting point. From here, navigate over to the Online Store section, usually found in the sidebar. Once there, click on Themes. You'll see a list of your available themes, so locate the Dawn theme that you've published, your live theme. Once you find it, click on Customize. Now, you're in the Theme Customizer, which is a powerful tool within Shopify. Here, you'll need to ensure that the template you're editing is indeed the home page, or whichever page you're planning to add the featured collection to. If there's a template drop-down menu, just make sure to select Home Page from the options available. Next, let's dive into adding the featured collection section. Over on the left panel, you'll see an option to Add Section. Click on that, then scroll through the list or simply use the search bar to find Featured Collection. Once you spot it, click it to insert the section right onto your page. With the section now added to your page, you move over to the right panel where the settings for this new section are located. Here, look for the option labeled Select Collection. Clicking this will allow you to choose an existing collection, like New Arrivals or Best Sellers, to spotlight. After that, you'll want to adjust your display settings for this new section. Generally, you'll have a few options here, such as deciding how many products you want to showcase in this section and determining the number of rows or items per row. You can also choose whether or not you want a View All link that directs viewers to the full collection. Don't forget to edit the titles or headings for this section to align with your store style. There are also various layout and design options available, like adjusting the image ratio or shape to suit the visual aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll do this by hitting the Save button located at the top right part of the screen. Finally, preview your homepage to gaze upon your work. You should now see that beautiful featured collection right there, giving your store a fresh and dynamic look that's sure to captivate your visitors. And there you have it. An easy and efficient way to add a featured collection section to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme.